Howdy party people! What's up guys? Welcome back to another vlog. I am so tired. I feel like I always start the vlog like that, but it's because like directly before I vlog, for some reason I always stay up late. So I went to bed at like 2:30 last night because I was jamming with my sister and her friends on Fortnite until 2:30 because I didn't get home from my parents until like 11:30-ish. So I am on my way to the farmer's market now. I'm just trying to like get used to vlogging again. I really want to get back into the groove of it. So here we are guys. I have been a little bit consistent within the last week. I am posting all of my backlogged videos. I also want to show you my flowers that I got from the farmer's market last week. This is a photo of what they used to look like a week ago. This is what they look like now. I posted on my gram story and I was like, am I seriously turning into like those ladies who just buy flowers for their house? Also, this is my orchid that Aussie bought me for Valentine's, which is just happy and thriving over here. Got me other little plants. My rug is also in the wash. It's outside drying. What's the update, guys? There's Bebe. There. Hello. High five. High five, baby. Thank you. Also, we went to Melbourne, guys. I did not vlog that at all. But I bought this granny trolley from the Victoria Queen Market. And it is a little heavy, but it's such a life changer when you go to the market. You've got too many things. There's Georgie boy over there.
What's up? It's your boy Georgie over here. Wake up. And then we're going to do some boring fuck from the market, you know.
Yeah, and I've also got Nell's game, so we better go so I can come back and meet that. Also, to give you an idea of how far back this vlog is, I only just posted my 30th part 2 days ago. So you're probably watching this like a month later. Hopefully not. Hopefully it's only like a week or two later because I still got 2 vlog to go. Hold on, my phone is in my back pocket. Thank you everyone for the birthday love. And let's go, Georgie.
See you guys.
See you guys where?
See you guys when we see you guys.
Look at my little clips.
Look at my little clip.
An egg.
Oh, look what wild.
What's that song? Hello, Lele. Ileva sassy. Ileva sassy, Lea. What's he going for camera?
Oh, tattoo of a sassy. Spray my spray like dick.
Oh! Guys, so we just got done from the farmer's market. And it's not Janine, it's Janice. So here we got Victoria. I also bought their chili sauce. You were supposed to put your own sauce on there.
Did you see that?
Yeah, alright then. Whoa, we almost chucked you out the window. Alright guys, this one's a special shout out to Small Man. Small Man, I was at your gig in Melbourne the other weekend and it was popping off.
Pumping.
Yo, motherfucker, what's out to Uelese? Sa ilia tu ife tu lelangi.
What's out my little?
Let's get it, boy. Se upo se tasita fia falongo yai.
Salute alofa.
Nale mama. Let's go, Aussie.
Oh. Yeah, this song is dedicated to everyone out there. So yeah, this song is dedicated to everyone out there. Yeah, hope you guys are well. From your boy Georgie over here and your girl Victoria. Let's go.
Okay, guys, this one's another one. This one goes out to Uelese.
Yeah, let's go. Shout out to my boy.
I honestly love Uelese's songs. Is it because he's got the same name as my love? Or is it because he's just a banger releaser? He is so underrated. If you guys don't know who he is, go and stream him. He's got the best heartfelt songs.
Let's go, my boys.
Tuwatufia pa iyatu Fainga tawa taba lebanu Fatalitali pe amo se taimi Eti sawe lave ya ya u Maria on the line Oh ma faufauna Ua sau tu alasi Sa ilia tu ife tu olelangi
And shout out to everyone who come and say hello and say hi to us when we're in Melbourne. Hope we will see you guys next time. Let's go.
Hey you fellas, I don't know how I got stitched up with these two again. They just begged and begged and begged to come over, so the good auntie that I am, I said, fine, get your little stinky asses in my car then. We're almost home. It's a really nice, beautiful day. It was so hot sitting out in the sun. It's about 21 degrees, so hoping to get some washing done. We'll go to Goodbury's if these two are good. What do you think, guys?
Yeah.
Gosh, guys, I look like a hot mess. I actually look really tired. I am really tired. I didn't go to sleep until late last night, jamming. But I am currently making Bear's food for the week. I've got other meats defrosting outside, which will be added to this. But this is the life of what my dog eats. What is it called? A day in what I eat or something? What I eat in a day. Dog edition. So it's only the top quality meats. It's hormone free, organic, so and all that other good stuff. But it's pet mince mixed with human mince and lamb human mince and liver and whatnot. Howdy peeps! Welcome back to another vlog. It is a beautiful, gorgeous day today. It is Anzac Day tomorrow, so I took Monday off, which is today, just so I could have an extra long weekend. So I've just been enjoying this day. Woke up, did my thing with my baby. He's a little bit sick at the moment because he swallowed one of his toys. So he hasn't eaten, he doesn't want to eat. He's regurgitated some of the bits out. I'm a bit worried. I'm going to monitor him, maybe take him to the vet if it continues, if he still denies his food. But I've just been editing my mum's vlog all morning. Excuse the hair, that's why I'm not ready at all. But they want to go for a drive out to Uelese in their new car, which I was like, yeah, sure, I'll come with. So Aussie unfortunately didn't get the day off, so he's at work. But oh my gosh, I've been crying rewatching everyone's testimonies while editing the vlog and just reliving like the excitement of telling my parents that I bought them the car, which you guys would have seen by the time you're watching this video. So it's been a minute, day off. I'm just about to leave to go to my parents now. Otherwise you can stay with Dia.
Huh?
Otherwise you can stay with Dia.
I need Samoa.
Oh, you got Samoa. You like it? Guys, in my parents' new car. Hola guys. Oh, look at me. I'm a little bit inconsistent, but trying to be consistent. I just don't follow through with the whole day of vlogging. Usually just been vlogging the mornings, but oh my god, super puffed. So today's Anzac Day. I just posted my mom's birthday vlog and I am on my way to pick. I thought we had retired this, so and famui. I thought we had retired, but it seems you just can't let it go. I did not plan to go. It's like 12 o'clock and I felt so bad. Like the guilt that I've been sitting here with, like that's why I just can't do anything else. I had planned to spring clean my house, but I was like, I can't do anything because I just feel so guilty for not going, but I'm still not going. Anyways, but I am now going because my mum called and apparently there's more lines to pick. So this bicky is purely for, I believe my cousin going back to Samoa, so everyone's just going to pick for him. He needs some money to go with, yada yada yada. So pretty much picking for free on Anzac Day, on the rest day that we are meant to take because we got work tomorrow. Aussie went fishing today with his workmates and Lippo, my brother-in-law, so they're on their way back. Hopefully they can go straight there and help us, but not holding my breath. So Sia's gonna come pick me up. My battery's now flashing, so I'm probably gonna vlog on my phone when we get there, but hopefully they have like one line by the time I get there. I'm gonna go and like do my hair, get some water bottles ready. But guys, I am still waiting for my sister. She's taking forever. But I just got the update that they have 12 lines to go, so I ain't in no rush. No, I'm joking. I just called her to see if she wanted me to drive my own car because she was taking a bit long. You know what's on when you got like the ear? I don't know what this is called. I look like I'm like from Vietnam or something.
Sometimes also you're submitting your teacher when it's your teacher.
The best part of it. I mean, I can't say too much. Look at your face. I can't say too much because I got here pretty late, guys. But this is definitely the best part of it. So relaxing. Although it's not finished, there are still more lines left, but you can miss me with that, Timui. I ain't coming back to this place. You said ko angarea onga, and we did, and you still want us to come here. Sure. Get this off me! Oh my god!
Was it very
Oh my gosh, these are the worst angles. I don't care. Guys, we just got told that we have 2 more lines to do, and I have already let out all my excitement because I thought that was it, and now I have to like tame it all the way back. But even if I do go and help these last 2 lines, I'm vowing that this is the last time I will be at this farm. I will never come back again. Following everywhere. I'm never coming back here, guys. This is the end of this chapter.
Oh, my turn. Nah, move your hand.
That dog is so cute.
Papa.
Papa's not my uncle, you big ning nong.
Then why did you not live with him? And since
Because when you grow up, you get to move out of home and start your own family. Are you going to live with your mum and dad forever?
no,
Well, that's why. See you guys. Catch you on the flip side. Toodles, folks. Oh my gosh, look at that view. It's so nice.
can I show your vlog something?
Soso. O wele te nata lena iyo e whaile leina lai lua. Oi, ia, lula ansu e whaia leina. What's your name? We're so she's on that side, so I'm gonna go on this side. So, Father, what are you doing here? How are you picking the fruit? Can you show the vlog?
No.
BRB, guys, he doesn't want to talk.
I just got chopped from the root. Yeah, you just.
Very well done. So we just finished the first line of the last two. So we've only got one left, which is this one. This like scenery is beautiful if you're not working hard. Like I'd love to just chill out here and look at this. But when you're farfing and sweating your bum under the tree, it's not nice. Look at the camera.
Oh, free photo.
Finished. Finally finished. For real now. Mum, what's wrong for you? You just left me? Can you please demonstrate to us what you're doing there?
Picking the grapes. 1985 is when this began.
It's actually 93.
Oi sole ai lo o koi ki kia pase pulu kau sanga kaka. Ale ai o me picky grapes. No makua onga le makua onga. Mawa ko ki kia mawa mako master. Ale ai o me picky grapes. Langa fai ka me o le alofa.
Show us a trick, Ginny.
I have no trick.
Just jump on it then. It's like you're riding a horse, eh?